hell no.
I'm scared.
It's like super jungly in here. It's cool. Oh, it's like... Is it just like a shallow cave? I'm not taking him in there. Here, hold this.
Okay. Try to put your flashlight. Okay.
Oh, hell no. It's deep as fuck in there.
Wait, I didn't even see your flashlight.
I know. It's so dark. There's like... I don't know how deep that cave is. If I had the headlamps... It's like super dark in there. You can't even see at all.
It's really quiet in there.
Yeah, I don't like that. Pretty sure... Fucking for all I know, there could be a wild animal in there.
You scared?
Yeah. Plus it's so low. Weird. Oh.
Oh, let's go on that one.
That one looks bigger. Let me try going that one.
Oh, it goes all the way through.
All the way through to what?
The other side.
Oh, Zoro?
Yeah.
Oh, shoot.
That looks cool.
Should we go through it?
Yeah.
I want to go first?
Yeah. Well, there's no spiders, so.
Maybe the other one does go through.
Wait. I'm scared.
Yeah, it's like just a path.
Okay. It's so quiet.
Yeah, because it's a cave.
Wait.
What?
Oh, I'm getting claustrophobic.
Oh. We're almost to the other side.
Zoro's calm. It's okay.
Oh, I wish I could.
It's more strawberry guavas.
Oh, is this a strawberry guava? Strawberry guava? Is it?
Yeah.
Mm-mm. Watch this guy, he did a solo hike from, you know, he started from fucking Mount Kaala, I think, and he went all the way, it was either he started at Mount Kaala or he started up here, like on this trail, and he went all the way to Machu Lighthouse.
Oh.
But he like, I think he camped 2 nights whole, camping in the mountains though at night.
That's like what, 20 miles?
Night march, yeah. Night march. Scary.
Rain! It's rain. Zozo, do you like the rain?
Pretty tall, yeah. I rated like a 7.
Zozo.